Welcome back to New Jersey Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I am Patrick Botticelli, and today I'm in East Williamsburg, Brooklyn, New York at Brooklyn Camper Vans. I've met up with Oliver. They build amazing Sprinter camper vans here, and today he's gonna give us a tour of this 170-inch wheelbase, 21-foot camper van that seats 4 and sleeps 4 and has a pop top. So join us for the tour.
Hey Patrick, welcome back to our shop. We are getting ready for our second annual open house, which is really cool because we have a tons of vans all ready to be shown. But right on my left, we have this beautiful creation. It's a 170 wheelbase. It is a client vehicle, so they provide the vehicle for us and we build the inside. It's a really cool drive for, sleep for with an SCA pop top. But let's jump right in to the outside of the vehicle. As you can see, you have black Rhino tires and wheels, all wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2. From the outside, you can see our typical awning. It's a Fiamma F45. Because it's a 170, we have the long version, which creates an amazing outdoor space. And to the top, if we walk around, you can see the SCA pop top. It is one of the best solutions to allow 2 more people to sleep on the top of the vehicle. And we are the only authorized dealership to install SCA pop top in the New York area, which, you know, Mercedes use it from the factory in Europe, which is a great standard. If we walk around, we go back inside. A big priority for the client was to travel with their 2 daughters, and safety is a big priority. So we have a DOT approved 3-point harness, bench seats. It is on a swivel and it swivels around. In front of it, we basically created the dinette space. It has a slide in and out table, so it can actually make it a little bit more comfortable. Bring it closer to you when you work on a computer or anything else. Both swivel seat from the factory, the front seats. And in the back, you can actually see our fixed bed layout. So you have a full-size bed in the back compared with the 2 bump outs. We actually use Van Speed bed capsule because we really like how they look from the outside. They all paired up with 2 bunk windows and a USB charger on both sides, so you can charge your phones and everything else. Full-size mattress, 6-inch memory foam, which we think is really important. To the top, you're gonna find the Dometic RTX air conditioning, so it's fully climatized, the vehicle. Big storage space as the entire vehicle. So you have our typical microwave with all the control systems. All the way to the back, you're gonna have our security camera system. In the middle, you're gonna find more storage, of course. And then moving closer to where I am, you're gonna find the galley. And the 170 is really cool because you get a massive amount of countertop. In this specific application, we use Corian. It's a really cool, durable composite material. We embedded the stove, which is an induction stove. It's a really small little touch, but it's such a beautiful detail. To the left in this bin, you're gonna find actually a Dometic 110. It's recessed. It's the biggest fridge that you can fit in this van. To the top, you're gonna find as well the freezer. To the left, you're gonna find our shower. In this specific build, the shower tiles are so pretty. They are herringbone style. The client asked for that. You're gonna find the newest version of the Nebbia shower head. These are brand new. They're really cool the way that they hang. They're actually different from the older one. It's really nice when a company gets feedback from us. Bottom, you're gonna find our teak mat, and then the Laveo dry flush toilet, which is the one that everybody think is the easiest one, which is an amazing, no stress, no mess. You're gonna find the Nautilus shower door. In this specific configuration, the client wanted a little bit of stripe just to sass it a little bit. Individual controllable light in the shower, so you don't have to annoy everyone else. And then here, we're gonna find the sink and faucet area. We do a cutout. The really beautiful part of our Corian, it's a solid surface so it doesn't warp. You're gonna find a a faucet head, water pump. Here, you're gonna find our typical Pico that tells you the water level and as well if you're level with the vehicle. To the top, you're gonna find your USB plug. We really use the cigarette lighter because technology advanced so fast that you can actually just change the USB plug. And then you're gonna find the gray water heater pump and then the gray release underneath. And underneath this sink cabinet, you will find the hot water heater and just tons of storage space for you to store trash or anything. Because we are in a 170, everything gets bigger. So you have bigger drawers, you have 3 of them. The last one is actually a fake drawer. so you can store things. In the middle, you will find the trash can. We like it because you can actually reach everything from the top. As you can see, we really like details, so there's no handles in the entire van. Everything is part of the design. To the bottom, you're gonna find linear hickory, light wood, vinyl flooring. You have accent lighting on the floor of the toe kicks, which is RGB, and matches, of course, the bump out lights. And then moving closer to the front, you're gonna find our control system, which, as usual, we are an EcoFlow retailer. We love them, we've been using it for years. And this specific vehicle has 3 5-kilowatt batteries, so it's a 15-kilowatt batteries. So moving towards the ceiling, we're gonna find a clean look. This is a really cool sage dark green color. The client really liked a clean feel. So top and walls are the same matching color. So another typical thing about our builds is our pass-through door. We think it's really important so you can reach all your equipment and stuff in the back, and it keeps the flow of air into the garage. Moving back towards the front, this seat is really cool. It's actually on a swivel. So let me remove the table, which pretty easily comes off. You close the leg, that can go in the front, and then the entire base of the seat swivels. And this creates, oh, what a lounging area. This is the best part of the van, is like the sliding door opens. And to the top, you're gonna find the SCA Poptop. So you have your little telescopic ladder. You raise it like this, and then you go up. And then you're gonna find another huge bedroom upstairs. Welcome to the Poptop. The Poptop is really cool. So it has a weatherproof window on the right side, so you can actually have light when it rains. It has insect screens in all the other 2 openings. To the top, you're gonna find a Maxer fan, so it keeps ventilations. And the mattress, it's a 3-inch memory foam, but it's paired with these really cool spring-loaded, 3D printed bottom of the mattress. So it makes it feel like a 6-inch. All fiberglass. The Poptop, and it's fully waterproof, of course. Now let's take a look around the back of the van. So the Poptop has a 330-watt flexible solar panel from Xantrix, which is a great company because it's literally based around the Poptop. On the outside, you're gonna find that we added windows. You have a sliding window from AM Auto. You have all the bunk windows from CRL. And to the back, you're gonna find the windows, of course, from the factory. Bottom here, you're gonna find our flush mount plug. We use only 120 because it's plenty of power to charge these. And to the top, you're gonna find color match vent speed bed bump outs, which as well, the SCA Poptop is color matched to the vehicle. To finish, the top has a Starlink roaming in motion with a custom mount that we build in-house. On the side, you're gonna find the owl ladder paired with the tire, spare tire rack. Going inside the garage, we have, as typical as our builds, our 40-gallon water tank. This is really cool. It has an auxiliary outdoor shower, hot and cold. In your winterization, this is your freshwater dump tower to pump the water in. And then back in the corner, you're gonna find the router and the auxiliary power for your Starlink. To the right, we're gonna find the EcoFlow battery system. 3 5-kilowatt batteries, the brain itself, and then the fuse box is there in the corner. A couple more things typical of our builds. You have your flip up, so you can actually have a little lounge mode, the awning pole, and the control of the garage light right there in the corner. And if you look up, you're gonna find a remote temperature monitoring system, which paired with the Starlink allows you to control the entire temperature sensor of the vehicle. So thank you so much for coming again to check our vehicles. We are located in East Williamsburg, 344A Marger Street. Thank you, Patrick, for coming. And as always, keep an eye on our website because we do tons of open houses and concerts. And of course, we are here if we want to build a custom vehicle.
Awesome. I'll put links in the description. Thanks for inviting me to your open house. We're going to have fun today. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I'll see you soon.